Unpacking Day Trip, a journey in English language learning. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to dive into, the phrase, day trip. Whether you're an English language learner or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is tailor-made for you. So, let's get started and explore what day trip really means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. A day trip is a term used to describe a short journey or excursion that is started and completed within a single day. It means that you leave home in the morning, or sometimes in the afternoon, go to a different place, spend some time there, and then return home on the same day. Key characteristics of a day trip. 1. Short duration. The trip lasts only for a day. 2. No overnight stay. You do not stay overnight at the destination. 3. Purpose. Could be for leisure, adventure, work, or any other purpose. 4. Proximity. The destination is usually relatively close to the home. Now that we understand what a day trip is, let's look at how we can use this phrase in sentences. 1. Planning a day trip. We are planning a day trip to the mountains next weekend. 2. Recommending a day trip. If you're visiting the city, I highly recommend taking a day trip to the nearby coastal town. 3. Describing a past day trip. We had an amazing day trip to the historical site last month. 4. Expressing a desire for a day trip. I need a break. A day trip to the countryside sounds perfect right now. Planning a day trip can be as crucial as planning a longer vacation. Here are some tips to ensure you have a great time. 1. Plan ahead. Research your destination and plan your activities. 2. Pack smart. Since it's just for a day, pack light but don't forget essentials like water, snacks, and a first aid kit. 3. Start early. To make the most of your day, start your trip early. 4. Check the weather. Ensure the weather conditions are favorable for your trip. 5. Stay flexible. Be ready to adapt your plans if needed. And there we have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding and using the phrase, day trip. We hope this video helps you in adding a new phrase to your English vocabulary and encourages you to plan your own day trips soon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.